Hi, I'm Amanda, and I am here with Alexa Drees, Drees Design Center Director, and she's answering all your new home design questions. Today's question comes from Dan J. He says, my wife and I are starting to think about, moving my aging mother in with us. Does Drees offer floor plans that lend to a situation like ours? We would like to build a home that meets our personal needs and style.
Cool. We actually offer all different kinds of options for multi-generational families. We actually have independent living options for some of our floor plans, and those incorporate, private bedrooms, you have adjoining bathroom, maybe a living space and a kitchenette, just so that everybody feels at home. So, whether your parents are moving in with you or your son or daughter has yet to move out, we have an option for you.
That's great that you have options for all kinds of families.
That's right, yeah.
So our next question is from Karen W. She wants to know, Alexa, I'm dreaming up the style and choices for my new home, and I'm seeing gold everywhere, all over Pinterest and blogs that I read. Tell me some of the most impactful ways that I can wow with gold.
I love the gold trend, as most of you know. I think the most impactful way to really bring in the gold is the lighting fixtures. I think it just adds a really nice glitz and glow to any room. But you can complement those lighting fixtures with, faucets, you have, cabinetry hardware, your accessories. There's so many different ways to incorporate that trend.
Well, we all know that Alexis's advice is golden. If we have more questions, where can we go?
Just visit us at dreeshomes.com/askalexa.